In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to a page in Notion, an essential skill for keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, adding tags can help you categorize and find information quickly. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first, if you haven't already, open up your Notion application. It's available on both desktop and mobile, but for ease of use and breadth of options, I recommend doing this on a desktop computer. Once you have Notion open, locate and click on the page where you want to add tags. This can be an existing page, or if you're starting fresh, feel free to create a new one. Now, we need to set up the right view to add our tags. Type in plush table view on your page. This command will allow you to create a table which is versatile and can include different types of data, such as text, dates, checkboxes, and yes, tags. Once you've typed that in, press enter, and you should see the table view format appear on your page. Next, click on the newly created table view. This will transform your page into a structured layout, enabling you to add properties and customize the table to meet your needs. Look at the top of the table where it says Add Property. Click there. This step is crucial because it allows you to introduce new properties to your table, such as tags, which are particularly handy for sorting and filtering your content. Now you'll see various property options. We're going to focus on one, so scroll down and click on Multi-Select. The Multi-Select option is perfect for tags because it allows you to select multiple tags per entry, offering flexibility in categorizing your data. Type in a name for this property. You'll want something descriptive but concise, like tags. Naming it clearly ensures you and anyone else using your Notion workspace understand what this column represents. With your new tag property set up, it's time to add the tags themselves. Below the tag property, type the names of your tags. Give each tag a distinct name that provides clear context, such as urgent, to do, or research. This step is where you get to customize according to your needs, and you can always modify or add more tags later as your project evolves. Finally, to utilize these tags, simply type the tag names into the cells corresponding to the entries you want to categorize. You can apply multiple tags to any entry, which makes searching and filtering through your data a breeze. That's all it takes to add tags to a page in Notion. With this method, your Notion pages are bound to be more organized and efficient, allowing you to stay on top of your tasks and projects. Happy tagging!